Here are 8 best tips for losing weight after the birth of your child. Since your new infant is here, you have a great deal to consider: when to take care of them, what to do in the event that they cry, and how to dispose of those additional pounds you pressed on during your pregnancy. On the off chance that you began at an ordinary weight and acquired the 25 to 35 pounds your primary care physician presumably suggested, it shouldn't require you in excess several months to return to your pre-pregnancy weight on the off chance that you watch what you eat and work out. In the event that, then again, you were overweight before your pregnancy or you put on more weight than your primary care physician exhorted, it could take any longer, as long as a year, to get the load off. Any infant weight you don't take off could stay with you for quite a while. It's important that you do get the load off, since, in such a case that you don't, it has been related with overweight and heftiness 15 to 20 years sometime down the road, says Deborah Crummell, Ph.D., Rhode, enriched teacher in the University of Cincinnati Division of Nourishment. Also, albeit each new mother is anxious to resemble their old self once more, perhaps the main things to recollect is to show restraint toward yourself. Your number one VIP may have gone directly from the conveyance room into their size 0 pants, however they might not have done it in a manner that was useful for their body. Every one of the magazines ask, how could she do it? The more significant inquiry is, the reason did she do it? Says Melinda Johnson, M.S., Rhode, enrolled dietitian and representative for the American Dietetic Association, ADA. They do this with extremely exacting eating regimens, and a ton of them do it by getting once again into movement before their body is truly prepared for it. Johnson advocates a more slow way to deal with weight reduction. The main thing new moms must have is a sure measure of tolerance with their body, she says. It required 9 months to arrive. It should take at any rate that long to return to their battling weight. In view of that, here are a few hints to assist you with getting more fit after pregnancy and fit once again into your old pants, whatever their size. Try not to eat less carbs. It might sound weird, yet going on an authority diet could wreck your post-pregnancy weight reduction objectives. Feeling denied of your number one food sources while you're now worried by your new part as mother could really make you put on weight, Johnson says. In the event that you return to eating well and eating for your yearning, most ladies locate that the weight falls off beautiful normally, she says. Rather than consuming less calories, she suggests eating an even assortment of food sources. Keep various snacks in the house to hold you back from feeling hungry and give you energy for the duration of the day. Apple cuts, carrot sticks, and wheat saltines are for the most part useful for noshing. Regardless of the amount you need to get more fit, do whatever it takes not to plunge under 1,800 calories every day, especially on the off chance that you are breastfeeding. The U.S. Division of Agriculture's MyPyramid site can help you plan a customized eating plan dependent on your age, movement level, and weight reduction objectives. The site even has an uncommon segment for breastfeeding mothers. Burden up on supernourishments. At the point when you're another mother, your body needs most extreme nourishment, particularly in case you're nursing. Pick food sources that are hefty in the supplements you need and light in calories and fat. Fish is one of these supernourishments since it's loaded with DHA, a fundamental omega-3 unsaturated fat that assists your infant with building up a sound cerebrum and sensory system. The best wellsprings of DHA are cold water fish like salmon, sardines, and fish stick to canned light fish since tuna will in general be high in mercury. Milk and yogurt are additionally supernourishments since they're high in the calcium you need to keep your bones solid. Also, remember the protein. Lean meat, chicken, and beans are low in fat and high in protein and fiber. They're useful for you, and they'll keep you feeling full for more. Breastfeed. Regardless of whether breastfeeding can really assist you with getting in shape is as yet open to question, a few investigations find that breastfeeding solely can help you get back to your pre-infant weight quicker, while others discover no distinction in weight reduction between ladies who breastfeed and the individuals who container feed. What is without a doubt is that breastfeeding is useful for your child, boosting invulnerability and giving various other significant medical advantages. Furthermore, nursing solely allows you to add about an extra 300 calories every day to your eating routine. You can add somewhat more calories in the event that you have a huge eater or twins. Simply ensure that in the event that you do breastfeed, you don't blame it so as to eat anything you desire. Drink up. Drinking a lot of water for the duration of the day keeps you from getting gut dried out. It likewise tops you off so you don't eat so a lot, and some examination has discovered that it might accelerate your digestion. Regardless of whether you need the regularly suggested 8 glasses a day isn't sure, so Johnson suggests utilizing the shade of your pee and how frequently you need to go to the washroom as aids. In case you're drinking enough liquids, your pee ought to be moderately clear, and you ought to be going to the washroom about each 3 to 4 hours. Move it. Diet is significant, yet it's just a single piece of your post-pregnancy weight reduction plan. You additionally need to fuse oxygen-consuming and strength-preparing practices after pregnancy to consume calories and keep your muscles and bones solid. Exercise, past assisting you with getting thinner, gives such countless advantages to another mother, Johnson says. It assists with discouragement, it assists with the rest issue, it helps in mitigating pressure, and having another infant in the house can be upsetting. You don't need to go to the exercise center to get back fit as a fiddle after pregnancy. Going for an energetic stroll with your infant in the buggy is sufficient to get your heart siphoning and muscles working. You need to go for in any event 150 minutes every week, says James M. Pavarnik, Ph.D., FACSM, educator of kinesiology and the study of disease transmission at Michigan State University and president-elect of the American College of Sports Medicine. With another infant, discovering 30 minutes straight may be inconceivable, so Pavarnik proposes separating the time into 10-minute augmentations. At that point, attempt to move gradually up to 20 or 30-minute meetings. Carrying around a child all day is itself an exercise, yet you actually need to add some strength preparing. Utilize light loads, or several soup jars, as opposition. Numerous gyms and public venues offer Mother and Me classes that will allow you to consolidate your infant into your exercise schedule. However, before you start any activity program, get your primary care physician's endorsement, particularly on the off chance that you had a C-segment. Get some rest. It might appear to be difficult to get an entire 8 hours of rest when you have an infant bringing you predictably for the duration of the evening, yet being sleepless could make it harder for you to shed the infant weight. In one examination, new mothers who rested 5 hours or less a night were bound to clutch their additional pregnancy weight than ladies who dozed 7 hours. At the point when you're worn out, your body discharges cortisol and other pressure chemicals that can advance weight acquire. Additionally, when you're depleted, you don't want to take great consideration of yourself, Johnson says. You're more averse to pick solid food. You're bound to snatch something through a drive-through. You're additionally more averse to get active work. Your companions or relatives may have advised you to rest when your child dozes, and that is solid counsel. Catch however many rests as you can during the day and hit the sack early, in any event until your child begins staying asleep from sundown to sunset. Request help. In case you're attempting to lose the weight, enroll the assistance of your PCP and a dietitian. The dietitian can help you plan an eating plan that will allow you to get more fit securely and adequately, while the specialist can manage you on how much weight you need to lose and when you can begin working out.